Single company with three different names. First, CloudBot, then Maltbot, and now finally OpenClaw has gained more than 100,000 GitHub star within 2 months of release. And this product is everywhere. Open your thread, open your GitHub, open your Instagram, you will find video or post about this product. Let's decode why this product is gaining so much of popularity. Also, I'll be telling you how you can install this product within a single click. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So if you open the website, it's a very simple website, openclaw.ai. They'll say the AI that does the things. So it means that now this is the product which is very close to the AGI we have ever came to. Because with this single product, you can control all your other applications out there which you majorly use. Be it any chatting application. It can be WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, Slack, Signal, iMessage. You can see there are all the major applications which you might be using for chat provider. Then let's come to the AI models. So you can choose any AI model which you are using out there. It could be Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, X, OpenRouter. With OpenRouter, you can have all the LLM with you. Then let's come to the productivity app. So it could be Apple Notes, Apple Reminder, Things3, Notion, Trello, GitHub. All the productivity application that you might be using are mentioned over here. Then for music, it could be Spotify, Shazam, Sunos. Then smart home, Philips Hue. You can control your Philips Hue with this application as well. So you can see how much things can be possible with a single application. You can also automate your browser, Canva. You can talk to it via voice mode. Then Gmail. You can set up the cron job. Then it has a webhook so that you can make external API calls. So you can see the possibility are limitless. So I have just started going through the application, and without knowing everything end to end properly, I don't want to give any such kind of a comments over here. But today I'll be telling you how you can install it within a single click. So there is a link in the description. You can click that link. Then this particular page will get open. You don't have to go to the market and buy the Mac Mini. And also I'll tell you the reason why people are buying the Mac Mini. Because there are some security reasons. Because this application control all your systems. So your file, your Gmail, your WhatsApp, everything is controlled by this application. So you don't want this particular application to be in your particular system. For that reason, people are preferring to buy the different iMac server, or you can install in the VPS cloud, which will be much cheaper than buying the iMac Mini. Okay. So there is a link in the description. You can click on that link and you will land on this particular page. And now within a single click, you just have to buy this particular plan, which can be used for N8N workflow later, or you can host your own website if you don't want to continue with this ClawBot. So this VPS server can be used for multiple reasons. It's not just for the OpenClaw product out there. So once you choose the plan, then you can select the different periods over here. It could be 24 months, it could be 12 months, or it could be 1 month. So if you choose the 24-month period over here, so you can come and write Lakshit 15 and apply, and you will get 15% off. And on top of that, you will get extra 2-month period. That means you will get 26 months and also a free domain name over here. So it's a 3 package deal which you are getting with this particular coupon code over here. Okay. And if you choose the 12-month over here, then I'll be able to give you 10% off over here. And with that, you will be getting a domain name free and no extra month. Okay. So choose the plan accordingly, because this is not just for the ClawBot for trial purpose. You can use it for your end-to-end workflow or hosting your website out there. After pressing continue and doing the payment, now you need to select your server location out there. Okay. Choose the nearest server location, and then you select the Ubuntu as your kind of a OS out, and create a strong root password over here and store it somewhere safe. And then it will start setting up your VPS. Then fill out the normal minimal question which they are asking. And then as you can see, your Ubuntu installation will get started. So now once it is installed, now you can go to your Docker manager and install the Docker out there. Once the Docker manager has been installed, you can see there is a catalog option over there. So select the catalog, search for OpenClaw, and then inside that you will be seeing your OpenClaw gateway token. Please copy this and store it somewhere safe and do not give to anyone. Optionally, you can add your Anthropic API key or else OpenAI API key. Then you might be asking why not other model API key. So it is said by the official people out there that all the other model works, but your Anthropic and the OpenAI model works best over you. Once it is done, then you can click on deploy. Then it will take some time for your project to be deployed. So once it is deployed, as you can see in the bottom, there is a link over there. If you click on that link, your OpenClaw dashboard will get open over here. So still the work has not been done. So you need to go into the overview. Then inside the overview, you need to paste your gateway token, which I told you earlier, and paste it over there and click on the connect button. Now, as you can see, your status will be connected and your health will be okay. Now your OpenClaw has been properly installed. And now for the people who have not added their OpenAI API key or any other API key out there, I'll tell you how to add the API key now, because that's a very hidden thing. You might not be able to know Go to your Docker manager over here, okay, and click on manage, and then you'll be seeing a .yml editor. Click on editor. Now over here you might be seeing all the environment variable out there. So copy your Ukani API key and paste it over here. Okay, once it is pasted, then click on deploy again. So once it is deployed, go to your OpenClaw dashboard, go to your chat and write hey. If it is replying back, it means everything has been configured properly. So in this video I told you what is OpenClaw, so many different names, and also I told you within a single click how you can install your OpenClaw for yourself instead of buying the Mac Mini and so many different commands. So the next video which I'll be making, I want to do the research from my side so that you don't have to do so much of hectic out there, and I want to make sure that everything is done under a security. So I'll be telling you how to connect your WhatsApp, how to connect your Telegram, and create your own AI agent which has the persistent memory and can do multiple tasks out there, and for which you have to create an end-to-end workflow which takes so much amount of time and are not that optimized. So stay tuned to the video. If you like the video, please press the like button. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care.